Good morning. It is December 5th. I'm in the closet currently. I'm looking for some clothes for today. Not sure what I want to wear. Just don't know. Well, I want to wear the shirt that, oh, I can wear that. Yeah, that'll be comfy. So yeah, it is early in the morning. Brady's got to turn the water off today because, crazy bathroom problems. It has been a nightmare. So yeah, I turned the water off, or he's working on turning the water off. So I had to get up with him and brush my teeth and all that good stuff. Headed to work. Got you propped up, got a full or almost full battery. No, I'm not bald. Just got my hair in a bun again. It's real cold today. Yesterday was like 75 and definitely did not feel like it was December 4th. Today, it's a different story. It's like 30 something. It definitely is cold. And it feels cold. And I just, yeah, it's burnt. I think it's snowing in Stillwater. I don't have confirmation of that from anybody there, but my phone was on Stillwater's weather by accident and not our weather, and it definitely was like snow in sight. So, hello December. Here it's just cold. Woohoo! I love when I can pull out immediately. No cars in sight. Headed to work. Hopefully gonna be early, but I'm not positive of that. But I am potentially opening the doors today for everybody. A couple of us have keys, and the coffee guy gets horrible. I don't know his name. Isn't that crazy? No, they didn't introduce any of us to each other when we were, you know, first there. And I don't know his name. I'm sure I could Google it. Google his company and find out his name that way. I could do that. Anyway, he's usually the first one there with his coffee, setting up, and opens the door and all that, but I think he's got a meeting today and might stop by and unlock it and then leave again. I'm not positive, but might not. And I told him I would for sure come and be there before 10 in case. So that is my goal. Man, it's cold. So I didn't know. Sorry about the yawning. I didn't know that. My chapstick. I didn't know that your heater heated off of your engine, and so your heater doesn't get warm until your engine does. I did not know that until Brady, of course, mentioned it. Well, he's mentioned it a few times. I just did not realize that. My family, we always got in the car and then blasted the heater, and so I always just understood it that the longer you ran the heater, it would eventually get warm. Not that it was heating off of the engine. Yeah, I mean, I guess it makes sense, but because doesn't your heater in your house heat off of your hot water tank? I don't know that. I have no idea. This is just, you know, typical thoughts today. Who knows? Oh. We got a granny driver going so slow, and I just got over to go around, and they're just crawling. Wait to get over then. I've washed my hands? You probably don't want to know either. If I could figure that out, I'm fairly certain you don't want to know the answer. Yeah, so it's up in a bun again today. Oh gosh, curb. Up in a bun again today, and just gonna rock it. I had to get up, which I wish I was doing anyway, but I got up early with Brady and brushed my teeth. And gave my face a wash over with water. Before he then had to turn the water off and take the, I don't know what it's called. Take the something. I'm not sure. But where to start? The hot water faucet on the shower in our front bathroom was leaking. And then it was getting worse, so we decided to fix it. The faucets, that whole plumbing system in there is from the 60s. Probably hasn't been redone since the 60s. So it started off quite disastrous and really has been that way the whole time. Couldn't get the handle off, so we ordered a handle puller, which is a tool for just that thing on Amazon. And the handle broke the handle puller, so we still couldn't get it off. It broke the tool to get it off. So Brady bought a grinder and cut the thing off. Then we got in there, and of course all of the piping and all of that stuff that's in there is from, you know, the 60s, and they don't make it anymore. Found what we thought was the correct part, same company, online. Ordered it, looked good, based buying a new little handle thing and a new little cover and all of that off of this piece. Doesn't fit. Doesn't work. Yeah. So Brady called a plumbing business. I don't know the name of them, but he called somebody, a plumbing somebody, and talked to them on the phone, and they're by his work, so he is going to take in the piece that we're supposed to be matching to. So we had to turn the water off so we could take the piece off so the shower then wouldn't just spray water everywhere. And so he took that piece in with him to work today to go there on his lunch break because they think that they have a piece. They think they have a piece that will work, or the right piece, or something. I don't know, something along those lines. So hopefully they do. We can finish this project and be done with the madness. It's just been crazy. I mean, I miss that shower a lot. But the nightmare of this whole project has just been insane. And it puts Brady in a horrible mood, and he hates feeling like he can't get it finished, and you know, the house is just falling apart, and we're trying to be flipping the house, but you know, the heater breaks and the roof leaks and the pipe leaks, and then can't fix the pipe, and you have to hire a roofer and hire a person to fix the heater, and it's just never ending. And I know it's hard on him. But we should hopefully be done with this project. Hopefully they can help us out, get us the closing the shower and just not dealing with it until we redo the bathroom. Because we're wanting to make that front bathroom smaller. The master bathroom is tiny, but that front bathroom is really quite big. And so we're going to take some of it. They like back up to each other. So we're gonna take some of it and turn it into some of the master bathroom. And just put a little tiny shower in there like we've got in our bathroom. And then put a big like walk-in shower in the master bathroom. Or something to that effect, I think, is what the plan is. Although now that I'm saying that out loud, I don't like the idea of there not being a tub. A lot of other people don't either. Showers are... Ouch. Oh. Showers are great, but it's gonna put off a bunch of families because little ones, you need a bath for a little one. Or a really big sink. But a really big sink only works until, you know, they're like 1. I have a feeling it's probably kind of hard to bathe a 2-year-old in a really big sink. So yeah, that'll put off a lot of families buying our house when we go to sell it, not having a tub. All things to consider. Oh, it's totally snowing. Oh, I can't. There's no way I could possibly show that it is, but there are definitely little snowflakes falling on my car, on the hood of it. I mean, they are literally so minuscule. They're so tiny, but they're still there. It's really exciting. I'm kind of bummed we're not going to get to go to somewhere snowy over Christmas break. Christmas break, like I'm in school. Don't have a break. Renee gets Christmas Day off and that's it. But I really wanted to go somewhere snowy. Just feel like it should be snowy at Christmas time. But I would prefer to be able to go somewhere really cool for our honeymoon. I mean, for our 1-year anniversary. So, saving the money over Christmas is a better idea. And paying off some more for the credit card that has our honeymoon and our wedding on it. And, yeah, just getting rid of debt. But, it would be fun. Guys, this is probably the fastest I've ever gotten to the pop-up shop. I'm not quite there yet, but I've been chatting to you the whole time, and this is usually when I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, I'm so chatty, and I turn it off. But I'm nearly there. That hasn't happened before. I hit just the perfect time where it was late enough in the morning that the like 8 a.m. everybody going to work madness was over, but just early enough that I didn't hit the like everybody who gets out that's not going to work 10 o'clock shopping and everything opens traffic. I hit right in between. It's awesome. Yeah, to downtown Broken Arrow now, and man, oh man, it would be so nice to sell some stuff today. It's been so slow at the pop-up shop. Guy yesterday definitely was asking the head lady about it. Just disappointed and how much money he isn't making. And I mean, I was props to that guy because I don't have the guts to do that. But I mean, when I first signed up, I really wanted to do it for the experience and see what it would be like owning my own shop and all of that good stuff. So I wanted to do it, but I did think, you know, this is probably not, I'm probably not going to bring in any money. I did think that. And I was set with that. I was set with, I just want to be able to make my, you know, $600 to do this event back, and then I won't make anything else, and that's okay, but I want to at least make that. And so that was my goal, was to make that money back. But, you know, I'm here, so I'm actually going to continue this once I get inside, because I have too much to carry to also carry the camera. But I am going to put your little stand back on you. This is a close-up. Hello there. Going to just reattach this. But I don't have enough hands to carry you and everything else that I need to carry. So I'm going to turn you off for now, and then finish this and then get back in there, and I'm the only person in there. And they can't overhear me talking, you know. All that good. Brr. It's cold. It's no longer snowing, which is sad. Oh, that's really bright, isn't it? Not having trouble finding me. It's really cold. It's like make your face burn, you know? Your eyes water and your face burn, kind of cold. I'm headed to pick up an external hard drive really fast because my computer is functioning so slow. So I'm going to see what I can do. Did I just mess up my hand? Okay. I'm gonna see what I can do to fix that. This prop right here, because that would be cool if it did. Yeah, buddy. Hey, that's cool. Just, yeah, anyway. I didn't want to have to take off the little stand, and so seeing if it would work, and we'll see how long it lasts right there. Anyway, I'm headed to the store. I probably should figure out where the store is via GPS, because I'm not really sure. It's so cold. Okay, GPS, Target, search. Oh man, how close is that one? No, 1.4. What's by me right now? That's where I want to go. Start.
Head north on South 1st Street toward East Dallas Street, then turn right onto East Dallas Street.
I can do that. I do know what that means. Brr! So it's very cold, if you haven't picked up on that. But it's also very exciting because it
turn left onto South
finally
1st Street,
actually
then
kind
turn
of
right onto East Dallas Street.
Kind of feels like winter. It's making my nose run. But yeah, winter.
Turn right onto East Dallas Street.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Siri. So I'm headed to Target to pick up an external hard drive for my computer so I can basically get everything off of it that means anything, and then see what I can do about wiping
Head west
it.
on East Dallas Street towards South Main Street. Turn right onto South Main Street.
Yes, thank you. I'm going to try doing it all myself first. Does that help? Kind of, not really. So I'm gonna try doing it all myself first, and then, and not have
Continue on
to
South Main Street for 3/4 of a mile.
pay anybody or anything. Because I really don't want to have to pay somebody. Okay. I don't have to pay somebody, and I want to see if I can do it myself first. But I don't know if I can. So, we'll see. I previously did, and it worked out great, but with this computer. But my previous computer altogether was no good. I mean, I tried, and I ended up deleting programs you just can't go reinstall on your computer, that you have to take it into Apple and like re-get the program on your computer. It was bad. I accidentally like uninstalled and got rid of iPhoto. Yeah. And then had to go take it for them to put it back on there. But they helped me find the like original files, so I could move those onto an external hard drive, because I found out moving iPhoto onto an external hard drive doesn't actually work. So yeah, anyway, that previous computer, I had no luck. I couldn't do it myself. I had to take it into Apple, and I think I took it in there twice to be wiped. This new one I have not done that with. I've managed it all on my own to this point. I've had it 3 years? Yeah, 3.5 years or so. Maybe just under 3.5 years. So anyway, it has a lot of life left. Mac computers, Mac laptops last a very good long time.
Turn right onto East 71st Street South.
Very well, Siri. So yeah. There's a cop. I have no idea what the speed limit on this road is. Oh, he's on his phone. We're good. Yeah. So I'm headed to buy an external hard drive
right
because
71st Street South, East Kenosha Street.
My previous one that I've been moving everything onto is crap. It's 500 gigabytes, which is
East 71st Street South for half a mile.
Not a lot, but a good amount. And but I had it, I bought it, I moved everything, and then I couldn't get my computer to read it anymore. There was a problem with the cord. And it was like, you could get it occasionally if you held it at this like right exact angle and all of this nonsense. Took it into Best Buy, they replaced it. But this one is doing the same thing. Well, I'm not going to bother taking it into Best Buy and get it replaced again, because it clearly is a fault with this
turn left onto
external hard drive.
177th East.
I'm back. One external hard drive richer, I guess, or poorer, because you paid for it, right? Well, not you, me. I paid for it. But yeah, found one. Didn't end up reading any reviews. There were very few options. And one of the options was the My Passport version. It's just what they're called, My Passport. Which is the same brand as the one I have and use and like. So I just got another one of those and didn't bother reading about the cheaper brand. Yeah, Brady may get on to me for that, but I know that it works and is good.
In 800 feet, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto South 177th East Avenue.
There are not 2 lanes here, lady. So I'm not sure what you mean, but I'm just gonna work on returning the way I came. So yeah, I bought the Passport, one that I had previously, and I'm gonna turn left, right. And so, it's like My Passport for Mac. The other one said maybe reformatting.
Left onto South 177th East Avenue, North 9th Street.
And I just didn't feel like risking it. It's going to be my backup basically my backup external hard drive. So if I really need to get something off of it onto like Brady's computer, or eventually when we build me a PC, if I need to put something on there, then I think I will just, I can just plug it in to my Mac, get a USB that goes for both, move whatever I need to move over, and then, you know, or reformat it, because this one can also be reformatted if necessary. But I don't want to start off the bat having to reformat, and then it sounds like you can't just make it then universal, which maybe that's why the one I have doesn't work, because it goes in both. I don't know, I'll just chatter. Man, I don't like traffic. I don't mind it when you're not driving in it. Right? But I guess that's probably how everybody feels. It has been a slow day. Okay, good. Make sure I'm even turning the right direction. Man, I feel like this vlog is all gonna be just me in the car. Oh, Brady called. Yay, green light! Brady called and he got, you jerk.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right onto East 71st Street South.
So he got, the piece, which was apparently a different brand even, but he got the piece needed for the fixing the thing. So it should be a real quick and easy fix. Oh, there's this little building. I'm gonna see if I can show it to you. It is this little yellow building. Yeah, it's so cute here on the corner. Brady and I want it so bad. It's so adorable. Alright, speed limit 25, so I better slow down. And yeah, we want it. That's basically it. I don't know if there's any like to-go order type place down here that I could just pop into real fast and get food. I think they're all like restaurants. Yeah. Nobody's around. Okay. Yeah, so I'm hungry. Yeah, there's a couple places we want to try down here, like Main Street Tavern, which is right over here. And I'm eating that toast, and it's really good.
Turn left onto East El Paso Street.
I hear Angelini's pizza is good. Brady doesn't like it as much, but I hear it's good. And then there's like Red Roof, what's it called? Red Roof. No, not Red Roof. Rooftop? I think maybe. I think I just passed it and wasn't paying attention. I think it's called Rooftop, which is another little restaurant.
Turn left onto East El Paso Street, then you will arrive at your destination.
Thank you, Siri. But anyway, I'm hungry. Don't know. One of the guys has been ordering.
You have arrived.
Ouch. Has been ordering to go. Like delivery, Panera delivery. I might have to do that. Because that sounds delicious. I'm not supposed to park in here, but I'm kind of just doing it anyway. Because I want to. this one's not gonna be near as fun because, oh, let me show you this, because of the time of day. Can you see downtown Broken Arrow? Isn't that fun? Oh, and that's my green light, so I'm putting you back. It's really pretty, but it's like 5:40 and I am not staying at the pop-up shop any longer. It is dead. My head is starting to kill me again, and so yeah, I'm leaving. But that's all there is to it. I was recording earlier. You'll see some fast plays of me working. Yeah. I kept turning it off because people would come in and I didn't want to film them and them not be okay with that. And then I also didn't want to try and explain why I was filming my hands and that sort of thing. So just kept turning it off when people would come in to talk to me. A couple of customers came by and then there was other people working there. But yeah, my head's killing me. Someone pooped, and I don't know if they didn't shut the bathroom or door or what, but man, it was rank. And then they sprayed blue like Febreze to get rid of it, and oh my gosh, the smells, all of the smells. It was not good for the keeping the headache away. Yeah. So I'm headed home. Brady is there. I would like a hug from my husband. And maybe actually get that, since I'll be getting there early. I'm gonna bail on Pathfinder tonight. I feel bad. I like Pathfinder. It's really fun to play and hang out and all of that, but my head is just, it hurts and it just keeps hurting, and I would like to not have a headache, and I'm just worn out. Why is my battery flashing? Anyway, probably because I've talked for like 30 minutes of film footage today. Anyway, I'm worn out. My head hurts, I'm tired, worn out. I think it's all of the, ooh, got some red tail lights. I think it's all of the, everything lately, all the ovary pain and the headaches, and I'm just tired. So I'm honestly probably gonna go to bed. But yeah, that's the plan at least. It's flashing, so I better turn this off. And it's about to get crazy, so I probably need to pay attention to the driving. I'm home. Got home. I've taken some headache medicine, made some veggie sausages that I'm about to eat, got some pretzels, also about to eat, a lemonade, sparkling water lemonade drink, one of the ice drinks I love. Not a big fan of lemonade, but that's what I've got. It's the only one I've got. Good evening, good evening. It is well into the evening time. Yeah, it's almost 1 a.m. Whoops. I stayed home, like I said earlier, before the camera died / ran out of memory all at the same time. Oh, that's hot, sorry. Brady cooked. Can I find it? It looks it's vegetarian tortilla soup, and it is so good. He's a very good little cook. So yeah, I slept on Pathfinder. I was getting another headache, needed some rest, was just worn out like I mentioned. So yeah, we got home and I was on my second movie. And he went to the store afterwards, and then he cooked, and he's been playing video games, and I've just been resting pretty much all evening. I helped put groceries away and stuff, but yeah, that's about it. Watched it play. Been working. Oh yeah, I bought the extra storage today. So I've been started the process. Oh, it's kind of dark in here. Moving files. That's the new external hard drive. So this is the broken one, and I've rigged it to stay plugged in, and so I can upload all onto this one while it's sitting here. So started that process and getting the files off of the computer through the night. So yeah, we're headed to bed now. So give the video a thumbs up and subscribe and all that awesome stuff that takes no time at all, just down below. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye.